Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes Netflix as part of its service? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether these two platforms are connected. If you're hoping to get Netflix through YouTube TV, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not include Netflix in its channel lineup or package options. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that focuses on live news, sports, and entertainment channels like ESPN, CNN, and local affiliates, while Netflix is a separate subscription-based streaming platform for movies, series, and documentaries. The two services operate independently, so you'll need to subscribe to each separately if you want access to both. However, you can still enjoy Netflix alongside YouTube TV by using the same device to switch between apps. If this video helped you understand that YouTube TV doesn't include Netflix, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.